Hi guys, I'm K9 Crooner from Austin there, and today I'm going to do a rant on rain. Why? Because we all hate that kind of weather with the burning passion, because we cannot go outside and ride the golf cart. Enjoy the video. Rain. What? More like thunderstorm? Oh my gosh! This weather sucks. I'm going to explain why that I hate this weather. Number one, I'm going to explain why that I hate this kind of weather. Number one, we cannot ride on the golf cart because it's too wet. Number two, we don't want to be sick if you stay out too long in the rain, because you might get sick if you stay out in the rain so long. Number three, we cannot ride on the golf cart. Number three, we cannot go outside because it's too wet. Do you know who likes this kind of weather? No one. Do you know who hates this kind of weather? Everybody at my family. Everybody at my family hates this kind of weather with the burning passion. I also hate rain too. So rain stinks. And so does Oogie Loves. Oogie Loves stinks too, because they're spoiled brats. Pound Puppies, my favorite show, is better than rain. End of rant. If you have any requests about my rants, check on the comments below. This is me on my channel,